Wireless earbuds, one of the hottest commodity that we have seen emerging from the past 2 to 3 years, and there are many hundreds of cheaper options available in the market. But are those cheaper options really good? Let's find it out today as I'm having the all new AY or AWEI, or I think it's spelled AWEI, so I don't know how to name it because they have not told me how to name this thing. But I don't know how they name their companies, but anyways, they have sponsored this. So it's the AWEI T19 truly wireless earbuds. And you know what? I have been using this from the past 2 weeks. And what are my opinions? And do I like or dislike this product? Let's roll the intro and get it started. Right, so time for another unboxing, and today it's the AWEI True Wireless Earbuds. Now, on opening the box, firstly you will get your earbuds within the case. So this is the AWEI earbuds within its case, and it's a nice case with it's a hard plastic with a good build. There's like a glass type of plastic on the upsides of this case on the front, because it's a display and it will show the battery level left on the case. And also when you open, you can see the earbuds shining, and they are having a very cool circular lights which also lit up when you put them in your ear, so it gives a good look to the other people who look around you wearing these earbuds. So it's a nice combination of lights and these earbuds. And so I'll pull out one earbud, and you can see it's just like the Samsung Galaxy Buds. It's small, it's handy, and yes, they are also having the noise cancellation, so that's why we are seeing these silicone tips. And these are good build. The build quality seems good and promising, and also they are hard plastic, so it will not break away easily if you drop them also. Now let's keep them in the case for now, and moving to the other things in the box. So you are also getting the silicone ear tips according to your ear size, but keep in mind these are not AirPods Pro, so it will not tell you on your device like which are suitable for you, so you have to go it for yourself. And you also get one micro USB cable. It's a very small one, and again a user manual, and mostly instructions are in Chinese. I think in English it's also written, but you all know I don't need user manuals and I hate them. So let's go. So it's finally time for giving my overview and my review for this earbuds. And with my 2 weeks of usage, I have seen that these earbuds are like giving out pretty much similar sound output like AirPods. I'm not judging or saying that AirPods are similar to these, or they are similar to AirPods or better than AirPods, but the sound quality is similar to AirPods, clean, crisp, and with little bass and some other frequencies. But these are similar to the AirPods in terms of sounds, because AirPods are something which are not having very good quality like Bose or Sony's are providing, but AirPods are something which are having very nice software optimization with Apple devices, so that's why they are so successful. And also their sound is very clean and crisp, so in the sound quality the AirPods are very good and certainly unbeatable. That's why they are the best in the market from I think 2 years and still. But these earbuds are also like very convenient, very good sound quality. And one of the most interesting feature in this is it's having an inbuilt 2500 milliamp hour power bank, so you can charge your device on the go while using these earbuds. So that's a very handy feature. I don't know how reliable it is, because in the long term it may be that it can lose its battery capacity or battery backup. But up to now I have used this as a power bank also, and it really works fine. And it's really convenient to have a power bank inside your earbuds case, something which no company dared, or even if they know, they have not dared to introduce. So it's really good that a Chinese startup, a small company, is giving you this type of feature, and I really like this feature. And more than that, it works on the Bluetooth 5 technology, which is the latest technology, and connections are no longer a problem with this. Just turn on the Bluetooth, open the case, and it instantly connects to your device, be it Android or iOS. And also, as the company claims, it is having the zero lag gameplay feature, which I have also tested while playing PUBG on my iPad, and yeah, it is not showing any type of lag which you might see in other type of Chinese wireless earbuds. I have Xiaomi wireless earbuds which I think unboxed in my very first video of this channel, and those earbuds were giving me lag during my gameplay, but I used these while playing PUBG and they were not giving me any type of lag. So you can also use it while gaming, and that's an additional feature of that. Apart from that, combining all the features and stuff, I think that in the budget of, I think, 2000 Indian rupees, or you can say $30, this thing is amazing, and I really suggest you all to buy this, and I will give the link in the description below. And I also want to thank AWEI, or AWEI, I don't know how to spell it again, sorry for that. And I want to thank this company to sponsor this product, and I'm really thankful for them to sending me this amazing set of earbuds. I really like this product, and I will certainly recommend you, if you are truly on a budget and are looking for wireless earbuds, do check it out. And even you can go for these. Yeah, these are simply amazing because you are getting a power bank, earbuds, Bluetooth 5 in it, zero lag in gameplay. So I think it's a complete package. And one thing I forgot to mention is the noise cancellation also, and these are also having noise cancellation as a company claim, but this is not something that can be turned on and off. It's natural, and I have tried this, and in the metros and in the crowded areas it works like 40 to 50% in very crowded areas. But if you are in a room or sitting in a room, you will not hear anything in the room, like someone knocks the door, or someone is coming or going, or someone is talking like silently or very low pitch, so you can't hear those voices. And the noise cancellation do work on these things, and it's not 100% accurate and 100% good, but it works and it can't be turned off. So it's also a nice feature. And in the overall $30 package, you are getting noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5, a good set of earbuds, and also a power bank. So it's a must buy in this budget, and I will certainly recommend you all to check it out and give it a try. Rest, these all are my opinions. What do you think about these earbuds? You do tell me in the comment section below, and I would love to hear them out. Rest, that's all for this video, and I hope you like this video, and I will be very curious to show you some more interesting videos like this in the future also. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me. So goodbye guys for now, and have a very happy and safe Valentine's. Yeah, safe also. So be safe, play safe, and enjoy your day. Goodbye guys.